Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share information regarding the latest Capgemini Recruitment 2021. Now, this is the graduate hiring meant for BCA and BSc candidates. And so the job function, though they have mentioned engineering and web software, like I'll exactly tell you the job description a little later. So salary is 2.5 lakhs per annum. And important dates, the last day to register is just a few days away, 27th October 2021, midnight is the last day to apply. And regarding the assessments and the interview, they have not shared any dates, so that will happen, but as early as possible. And regarding the educational qualification, BCA eligible, in BSc, computer science, IT and electronics branches only eligible. And as far as the percentage is concerned, should have 55% and above in 10th, 12th and graduation, and candidate should not have any backlog at the time of appearing for the process. And regarding the break, the candidate should not have more than 1 year of gap between academic milestone stages, and the candidate should not have any gap within the academic milestone, and year of passing 2021 only eligible. And other criteria, so should be open to service level agreement bond, and must be open to relocate to any Capgemini location, work across technology domain role, and should be able to work 24/7 shifts. And mode of selection is going to be like entirely virtual, and so all the arrangements like the desktop or laptop with webcam and all that, so it is solely the responsibility of the candidates. And so they have given the job description. So they've said that we'll be providing application support and maintenance, validate whether the process have been implemented, and subsequently create reports across all teams, utilize appropriate tools to ensure all processes are followed, map tools to process and document the process. Also work with other teams to ensure they are trained on the processes. So this is the job description. Now, selection process, in this particular notification, I couldn't find any information regarding the selection process. But if you look at the previous hirings, okay, so they have had an analytical and quantitative test followed by a written communication test, and then a tech and a HR interview. So this has been the process earlier, but I'm not sure about what will be happening this time. And so they have given the location like Chennai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. And how to apply, link to apply is given in the description below. You can click on that. So as by now you must be familiar with the Superset platform. So the registration is through Superset platform. If you have not already registered, so complete the registration process, which I'll explain fully. And post registration in the tool, you need to apply for the job profile to participate in the event. And if you have already registered, okay, if you want to make any changes, editing, okay, you can do that, and then you can apply for this particular event. So if you are appearing for the first time, registering for the first time in the Superset platform, so first enter your email address and then click on next. Then it will ask whether you want to register and apply. You just click on register and apply. So it will collect the basic details, contact details, current and most recent education, previous education, internship and work experience, and it will also ask for profile photo and all that. So first you have to enter your name, date of birth, gender, college, primary email address, and then confirm your primary email address, enter your mobile number, and then set your password and all that, and then save next. Now very importantly, it will ask for you to verify your details. Now this particular detail that you have entered, okay, now you cannot, it is very difficult to edit it later, okay. So this part you have to verify thoroughly and then go for save and next. If you want to edit, just go back and edit, otherwise just save and give next. Then you have to, once you have completed that, you have to verify your email ID. So if you click on the verify that you see here, you will get a OTP a number in your email ID, which you have to enter here, okay. And if you give a different personal email address, for that also you have to do the same thing, okay. And then here you have to also enter your permanent address or current address, and you have to upload your resume in the PDF format. If you find any difficulty, try to change the browser, or If you're using an online PDF converter, try to change the PDF converter. Also restrict your size and then try to upload if you have any error. Okay, and it also asks for career plans. I'll tell you what is career plan. So they give you a list. You can choose, like whatever is relevant, and then give. But it doesn't make like much impact. So upload your resume in the PDF format, and then you have to give your current education details. So what is the education, which so BSc or BCA, which branch and all that, and then batch. Okay, so 2021 you have to give. Course start date, okay, so like 2018 started, okay, ending date 2021, whatever is month and the year, just give the relevant one. And then the university or the institute roll number. Then enter your class 12th and class 10th details. Then if you have any internship or work experience, you can also give that. If you don't have, no issues. And then finally, so you may not often get a mail, okay, you may not often get a mail for confirmation, but you will get this prompt window for confirmation, okay, saying that you have successfully applied. Okay, then you can go to your profile and then apply for this particular drive. So I hope the information I have shared in this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, please do post your questions in the comment section below. If you like this video, click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.